Hi everyone and welcome to Mommy Guide Inc. This is Mommy Lala. Today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of a kit that I've had forever but have totally forgotten about it. Let's go! This is the Creative Calligraphy Kit from Miss Milona Barraca. As you can see, it came with this corrugated black box. Okay, I hope nothing spilled because of doing that, right? So, case secured by a washi, and it says just the process. Okay. This is the book. Okay, it's a booklet that came with it. With teacher Milona. Okay. So this is the certificate. So part of the introduction, and this is where you can actually, practice. Okay, and then she has exemplars for lowercase and uppercase, and then everything else is just basically practice sheets for the different letters. I hope that you've enjoyed another unboxing here at Mommy Guide Inc. See you next time. Bye!
Every change